Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm VP of Product Growth at Pendo. As product leaders, being hit by the generative AI boom can feel overwhelming. There are a lot of ideas and pressure from different stakeholders pushing us to embrace this new technology, which is capable of content generation and conversation across a wide range of topics. But what does all of this mean for your products and the customers you serve? In this module, we'll explore a methodology you can follow to build a software strategy that encompasses AI. I'll also explain the value of establishing AI principles as well as best practices for building AI-powered features. At the end of this module, you'll be able to explain why AI is so transformative for product management, identify ways to adapt your software strategy in the wake of AI, and apply a framework for building AI-powered features.